They can come and challenge me. These are facts. They are here. Maybe I will not read it. Somebody should read the Red Pen's daughter. That is the exercise I did. Only T.
Abba Ofori. Property name Elizabeth Ofori. Property name L and Eno Ofori. Property name Daniel Mark Ofori. Property name Nana Oku Ofori and Dora Ofori.
Ofori's conduct is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him.
We're now going to 25. Name it. We start going to all the other areas. These are facts. Let somebody come and challenge it. It's as simple as that.
What to me, my OSP time never best. What to me can just say there's been changes. Ebedu ya na wa catch us so say via Zoom virtual. What do you mean? At the OSP no you wonim nya sasa combined virtual. Masa, even ex-president Mahama was invited by the OSP. He waits. Who is Ofori?
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH, baby. I will be amidin shaka siena emao. The name is Ben Bros. Patron subscribe me to my now on Sakabi. I fugitive. Because you can't say fugitive, I just say, will be a wire bonia, would Jania, and Marane Tano. I can Ofori, former finance minister, and then the Marane Tano. OSP, Ajabe. Also, one man Ofori so many chances, and then me bochna, or china, and na chance no see a manna, or Kenya never be doa. No, what can be big, no see enough is enough. It's and Ken Ofori has been declared wanted by the OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor in Ghana.
Today is Monday, 2 June 2025. It is more than 3 hours past the scheduled time of Mr. Ofori's attendance at the OSP, and Mr. Ofori failed to attend the OSP today. Mr. Ofori's conduct is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Ofori is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Ofori's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him.
And then I'm here, baby. Now, who say you reckon Omugana for we say John. We be an article be am who and neba or say my father swindled Ghanaians with what his brains. Well, yeah, bro, because I didn't know your friend. I won't remember last week. You said now on your friend say American restaurant. What did you do? Side check allegedly. Well, we are not on London or we are not China. So what are you saying? Say ya can't be so now. Nim say and you come in and respond. So what in America say when you be just come in and respond. I didn't ya can say nyam pamaba. Mumisame. But wait there, I say, oh yeah, Coco the John. What to me, my OSP time never best. What to me can just say there's been changes. Ebedu ya na wa catch us so say via Zoom virtual. What do you mean? At the OSP no you wonim nya sasa combined virtual. Masa, even ex-president Mahama was invited by the OSP. He waits. Who is Ofori? And yet Jimmy Sama, who is Ofori? Is it not just a mere finance minister, former? Who is he? Ghana kwasi asemuti yama ekuobia to say they are superior. But whatever it is, no, me pese utie nietia. Some me pese utie de ketua bia ye hwehwe Ken Ofori wu a oye mention.
In that T alone, 2 or 3 plots belongs to an Ofori. I mean, why? Is that the only family we have in Ghana? These are facts. These are facts. Nobody can change it. They can come and challenge me, and I'll meet them anywhere, any court, with records, with documents. They can come and challenge me. These are facts. They are here. Maybe I will not read it. All the Red Pen's daughters. Somebody should read the Red Pen's daughter. Every Red Pen daughter. Read it. That is the exercise I did for only T.
Abba Ofori. Property name Elizabeth Ofori Atta. Property name L and Eno Ofori Atta. Property name Daniel Mafu Ofori Atta. Still under property name Nana Poku Ofori Atta and Dora Ofori Atta. Still under property Stephen Asamoah Boateng Owusu Efriye Prempe Nana Kwame Ofori Atta. Nana Poku Ofori Atta and Dora Ofori Atta. Julox Homes Limited and Nana Kwame Ofori Atta and ESP International Limited.
Thank you very much. That is just a key. That is what is causing probably the panic in some people. Because they know by the time we are done with all the other areas, in Committee 24 alone, in that 24, a small portion called T, we've discovered this alone. A small portion in Committee 24, this is what we have discovered. You can imagine we are now going to 23. Then we now come to the commercial lands. We're now going to 25. Name it. We start going to all the other areas. These are facts. Let somebody come and challenge it. It's as simple as that. And what is going to blow your mind is that, look, there are companies here.
From land grabbing, action grabbing, ya can't conform a poor my pa. Last time, MPP for by your poor man, a bulukoma, a cell manner, pansama sabe. To see a regana, the Ghana call emergency coma. Because Ghana upon some attitude. Because and yes, sir, how can you explain to me the kind of wealth that people had within 8 years? Are they magicians? They are not. Now, when you know where we are, baby, yes, Brana Bechra was a member. Hey, Ken, oh, yeah, down, baba. Yes, I'm out 2 weeks. Yeah, and I only Trump so there. Or taking on us, or be away, yes, can be a better waba. 80 and no mate, and maybe I count him. Yes, in the next 2 weeks, Ken Ofori Atta will be hauled down by the FBI to Ghana, mate. In the next 2 weeks. Now you buy and what catch and say you are sick and you are on sick bed. Time now move yes can no one say you are on sick bed. Somebody may body. I say what we are Ghana scabia so be with the same kind. Because then you have bro Ghana, you cost to bring number years can move. Simple. I Xposed the channel, subscribe, share. But the 2 man now I can be manuals.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.